This morning, the CJ Patel company and the members of Fijian Seven side, they came into the village for the promotion, and I think the village is very happy, and also the kids. The hall is full for the kids, and members of the village is gathered around here. First time they saw these two heroes came in our village in Lepanoni. We are the supporters of Fiji team, and mostly of the kids when Fiji play, they support our Fiji team. And this morning we thank the company, the company for their what they did for the promotion, and especially the benefit of our village, and also the promotion for beloved Fiji team, and we love our Fiji team and we support them. Thank you very much.